Let's decorate the cover of our pop-up album. For that, I am making a shaker frame. The piece that I have taken that measures 5 inches by 7 inches, and I have cut out a half-inch frame. Now I'm just putting the acetate with the help of a double-sided tape. Now I am taking foam tape. You can do the same like what I'm doing in the video to get the desired size of the foam tape, and then you can just add the foam tape on the edges, making sure that there is no gap between the tape so that our shaker does not escape from that. Now I am just putting some pattern paper for the front cover, and then we are just going to seal the shaker inside our album, and that's it. Now you can just embellish the top of the frame by putting some elements or some sentiment. I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial for this cutest mini album. If you still haven't received the measurements for the same, read the captions down below and follow all the rules so that you can receive the free cutting guide. I am Priyanka from Memory Keepers, always hoping to inspire you. Follow me for more such tutorials.